Hello. Today I'm going to show a new pronoun. Well, it's not new, but I haven't yet taught it here. A different video, I taught you two types of pronouns, two of them. The first one, indexing, meaning we're using the index finger here to indicate me, you, him, her, they, we. Also, the two of us, the three of you, the three of them. If you need to review that, watch that other video. The second type, possessive, meaning ownership, right? Using the palm. Yours, mine, his, hers, theirs, ours, yours. If you need to review, watch the other video. It teaches those two. Today, I'm adding a third type. And what is it? It's called reflexive. And this uses the hand shape, the open A. Similar to the others, the movement and the location and orientation may depend on who we're talking about. The hand shape is like this, and the meaning is self. For example, myself, myself. It touches, right? Myself. You may also see it like this. Now the back of the thumb touches myself. Myself or myself. Myself or myself. Yourself. Yourself. The knuckles are facing outward toward the person you're signing to. Yourself. If it's a girl there, herself. Again, herself. A boy, himself. Himself. Also, you can use the index finger as a classifier for a person. So if they're not here, herself. Yourself, you don't tend to use as much, but for someone else over here, could be herself, himself, itself, themself, themself as a singular, itself is commonly used, itself, yourselves, yourselves, themselves, ourselves, ourselves. The meaning is similar to English, itself, or by myself. For example, it has a few meanings, and that's one that is on one's own. Myself, yourself, meaning I'm doing some action to myself. For example, sentence, my hair, I cut myself. Again, my hair, I cut myself. So that's one meaning. It can also mean like who is. It is. For example, my friend, herself a teacher, she is smart. Again, my friend there, herself a teacher, she is smart. English, we might speak my friend who is a teacher. The third way might be saying something I'm focusing on my independence. For example, I want to go myself. No, don't go for me. Don't ask, I want myself to ask. I want myself to ask. I want myself. I have something I want to do myself. Okay, and that's a little bit of an introduction. The hand shape is this: myself, yourself, itself, themself, itself. Okay, and if you're interested, I'll try to think about more examples with the self pronoun. But now that you've learned it, you're going to start to see it often. Okay, and that's it for today. If you missed the other video with the indexing pronoun, 3 of us, 2 of them, my, your, theirs, don't forget to watch. Here's that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!